Hey guys, and welcome back here in my channel. So we have a new video, and in this video, i-share ko sa inyo yung bago naming bahay. So this is going to be a house tour. So we moved here in our new house 2 weeks ago. Na-adjust pa kami, but we are getting used to na. Marami pang kailangan i-fix at saka marami pang kailangan i-improve sa bahay namin. But for now, we already moved here and we are happy living already with my small family. So if you're new here in my channel, please do like and subscribe. Huwag niyo munang kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at saka i-click yung bell button for you to be notified every time I have a new upload. Sa video na ito, mag-room tour tayo. Hindi na ako nakapag-video ng like raw house tour, raw room tour, or raw house tour yung wala pang gamit kasi medyo naging busy na din kami. And now in this video, i-share ko sa inyo yung kung ano ang nasa loob ng aming bahay. This house tour, maybe magkaka-idea na kayo kung saan kami nakakuha ng bahay. So this is quite a known community. Dito sa area namin, medyo konti pa lang ang nakatira. So sa block namin, maybe meron kaming mga 6 or 7 na kapitbahay. But most of the place, or dito sa area na face, or dito na face, hindi pa siya masyado maraming nakatira. Medyo madilim din siya. And then later, ipapakita ko din sa inyo ang likod namin kasi parang ano siya, forest. But it was very nice kasi though madilim siya, but we can still breathe fresh air. Since nag-COVID, yung construction dito is not in full swing. But kung magre-resume na sila, I'm pretty sure na medyo maingay na ito dito kasi yung mga bahay is like back-to-back siya. I would like to say thank you also to our family who really supported us. They've been very supportive to our decisions. A little bit of a background, itong bahay is nakuha namin siya before sa aming wedding. So, kinasal kami by August. Nakuha namin itong bahay by August 2018 kami kinasal, but nakuha namin itong bahay around April or May of 2018 also. So itong bahay na ito is a 2-story house. It has 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. Yeah, anyway, we will start our room tour. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. So guys, meron kaming screen door. Nagpalagay kami ng screen door kasi yung likod namin is meron pa siyang mini forest. Wala pa masyadong bahay na na-build. So medyo marami pa siyang insects, maraming lamok, maraming mga bugs, maraming crickets na pumapasok. So kailangan talaga siya ng screen door. So nakuha namin tong screen door from my friend Carissa. I'm going to link her link on the description box below if ever you have an inquiry about screen door installation. Sa husband niya ito, yung husband niya and yung mga kasama niya ang nag-install nito. So hello Carissa, by the way, thank you so much for this, Carissa. And then white yung pinili ko na color kasi mas elegant siya tingnan at saka mas malinis siya tingnan for this new house. And yung half na screen door, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito compared to the alcomesh. Alcomesh yung tawag, yung like full na screen door. Kasi ito, mas may privacy siya. Like half lang ang nakikita. And then, we have this white door. Ito yung door niya, like from this new house. And then, like the basic na doorknob. And then, meron kaming sofa set, bagong sofa set. I-share ko sa inyo kung saan namin yan binili on a separate video. Ito yung pinili ko kasi meron siyang free na bolsters. Free bolsters. And then, ito yung living area namin. And then, for the meantime, meron din kaming like one frame. Isa lang muna, but we will be adding more. Like, we will add our family frame, family picture frame. And then, ito yung curtain namin. Like, we got the color aqua. Ito yung pinili ko na color kasi refreshing siya tingnan. So, this is like the dining, the living area. By the way, guys, yung bahay, like the house and lot, yung lot area is 66 square meter and then the floor area is 46 square meter. So, hindi siya masyadong malaki but this is enough for our small family. So, ito yung dining area namin. So, we preferred the round table kasi small space lang ang kakainin. I mean, it's a space-saving dining set siya. And then, maliit lang din naman kami. Like, as we're just a small family. And, hindi din siya dangerous kay baby na merong sharp edge compared to the square or like the rectangular table. So, round table lang siya kasi enough lang din sa aming tatlo. And itong dining set, I'm going to share to you also in the separate video kung saan namin ito nabili. So, ito yung dining area namin. And then, this is supposedly our like small kitchen area. So, meron kaming kitchen cabinet. So, ito yung dish drainer, like yung rice. And then, nandito yung ibang supplies namin. But this is just temporary kasi magpapagawa pa kami ng kitchen cabinet. So, for now, we need more budget for that. But, yeah, yung basic lang muna for the meantime. And then, ito yung cooking area namin. Dito kami nagluluto. We had this also. This is also brand new nang lumipat kami. It's a 2-burner stove. And then, meron kaming supply ng water. Bumibili kami every week. Once or twice a week kasi yung water nila dito is not from water district or not from Davao City Water District, not from DCWD. So yung water source dito is from First Peak. This is from E-Prime Business Solution. Hindi namin iniinom yung tubig nila kasi parang hindi kami sure if it's safe and meron kaming baby. And then, most of the people here, like living in this area, hindi sila umiinom directly from the faucet, but like more on bumibili kami from like the water suppliers. And then, ito yung toilet and bath. So, wala, hindi ako sure kung malinis. But, yes, this one. Medyo malaki din yung toilet and bath. Ayan, merong mga shampoo and like, sa soap area namin, meron siyang sink, and then meron siyang shower. So, okay na kami dyan. No problem na kami sa toilet. And ito yung ref namin. So, meron pa kami mga excess na gamit. Dyan lang muna yan for the meantime. And then, laman ng ref namin, more on water, maraming eggs kasi minsan gumigising kami late na and then just needs to go to work. So, like, this is the very easy to cook food. And then, of course, gumigising din ako ng maaga para si Jazz makapagbaon. Nagluluto ako. And then, ito yung laman ng ref namin. Like, my fish, and then tocino, and then, this is my favorite chocolate. Isa na lang naiwan. Actually, 2 packs ito. Ito yung kinakain ko just to regain my energy kasi nagpapadede ako kay Bran. And, meron kaming mga gulay here. Kulang na rin yung gulay namin. We need to go to the palengke again. Si Just ang nagpapalengke. And then, meron kaming wall clock. Medyo raw pa talaga this area. So, we are planning to put the floating shelves here para meron kaming ma-design dito. And then, meron kaming like TV. Bago din yung TV. And then, bumili ako ng GMA Afforda Box. So, ito yung TV namin. And then, bago ang TV. And then, yung TV rack. Bago din siya. And, meron siya mga dividers. Walang laman kasi hindi pa kami totally makapag-decorate ng bahay kasi andyan si Brandon. Always niyang ginugulo yung mga gamit dito sa bahay. And then, meron siyang playpen, but ayaw niya talaga magpalagay sa playpen kasi mas gusto niya sa labas lang at saka maglaag-laag lang diri sa sala. Gusto niya talaga makipaglaro sa amin. And by the way, guys, I would like to share this to you. Ito yung water dispenser. Mura lang ito. And madali lang siyang gamitin. Para i-press mo lang siya dito. Wait lang ha. Yan, i-press mo siya. And then yung yung charging niya is 3 to 4 hours lang. If you notice, ito yung living room, living area, dining, like yung cooking area, ref, and then TV. Wala siyang sink kasi yung sink is nasa likod. Dito yung sink namin. So dito kami naghuhugas ng plato. And then, yung likod namin is ganito pa siya. Yan. So, nagbi-build pa kasi sila ng bahay sa likod. Marami pang as I mentioned, hindi pa siya full swing. Hindi pa full swing yung nagtatrabaho dito. So, medyo natatagalan din sila. So, ito yung sink namin. And then, from our water provider, meron silang nilalagay na tangke. It's like free. It's not free kasi binayaran namin yung water installation. Pero upon installation, meron siyang tangke. So, it's from the gutter. So, galing siya sa taas. Like, umuulan, dumadiretso yung tubig dito. So, pwede siyang gamitin panglinis ng motor, ng sasakyan, panglaba, if you want. And then, yeah. Dito, meron kaming space dito. And then, ito yung likod namin area. So, at night, medyo madilim talaga yan siya dito na area at night. Maraming baka also. Hindi ako sure kung makikita niyo yung mga baka. But, yan mga baka yan sila. Like, yan, mga baka yan sila, yan. And then, ang ingay nila minsan. And then, marami yan sila dito. Naglalakad yan sila dito. And then, yung favorite part ni Brand dito is, ito, yung excavator. Like, if nagtatrabaho sila, always meetingin sa Brand. So, meron kaming kapitbahay, pero actually wala pang tao. I think may lilipat na din dito soon kasi nag-install na sila ng light. So, ito yung likod namin. Yan. Yung consequence namin here is if umuulan, basa talaga siya. And then, of course, magpapa-extend pa kami dito. Iko-close namin yung likod. Like, yung katabi namin na bahay is na-close na siya. And then, yan, iko-close lang namin ito dito. So, this is just for the meantime. Meron din kaming isa pang window dito. Nilagyan ko siya ng sheer curtain para dito siya totally mainit. And then, meron pa ring light na pumapasok. And then, let's go to the second floor. Meron siyang cute na stairs. Yan. This is the two rooms. Ito yung room ni Bran. yung room ni Bran. Pero more on mga bagahe pa namin yan dito. It's like storage room lang. This is our room. Hi! So, yung room namin is child-friendly room lang siya. Kasi andyan pa si si Brandon. So, marami pang toys here. And then, ito yung curtain namin. Color gray siya. Turn on natin ang light. So, gray curtain siya. And then, aircon. Meron din siyang sheer na curtain. Kasi during daytime, gusto ko din pumasok yung light. So, yan. So, one bed lang. Like, di siya double. Compared before na dalawang bed siya. So, one bed lang kasi malikot si Brandon. And meron kaming mga playmats. And then, yeah, wala masyadong laman pa yung room. And then, palagay din kami ng mga hanging cabinets here or here. So, raw pa siya. And, hello, Daddy! Daddy! And then, here's extra room. Ito yung room dapat ni Brandon. But for the meantime, it's like our storage room pa. So, dito yung lahat ng gamit namin after after moving here in our new house. So, wala. Lahat gamit dito. Pang storage lang muna. And then, floor area niya. So, if I'm not mistaken, vinyl. Like, vinyl daw yung ano nila. Yung floor. Yan. Wala pang gamit. So, we will do house improvements in the future. So, ayan. Ano lang, simple na house lang. Anyway guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching our house tour. So, supposedly si Jazz ang magvi-video sa akin, but then Brandon is sleeping. So, sariling sikap. Ako na lang humawak ng camera at ng video ng aking sarili. So, this is the only time I get the chance to film a video again. Kasi medyo busy talaga. Kasi, like, you know, I'm a hands-on mom. I'm a full-time mother. And then, I have to take care of Brandon. And then, marami ding gawaing bahay, and then si Jazz is also working, but so far everything is doing well. We're enjoying naman, though mahirap talaga siya kasi like we really need to work hard kasi kami lang din dalawa. And then of course we sometimes have our family members, bumibisita din sila sa amin, but for now it's COVID, bawal pa daw. So, yeah, dito lang kami, stay at home, and then sometimes lumalabas din kami ni Brandon. But again, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and yes, I'm going to do a separate video of like the new house essentials, so saan kami bumili ng mga bago naming gamit for you to have some ideas also. If you are new to my channel, again, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, write in the comment section. Paki-type na lang kung anong mga questions or meron kayong questions. And then, thank you so much for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Thank you! Bye-bye!